Na ka jingmi ki contractor ban panpaw ki jing e namar ka jing bom pod yo abel wat hadir mikila da pentrai ki project samum leng ba ka jal jivan mission JJM ka sarkar India bala pentrai da katnat PHE ka sarkar jilla u Conrad ki Sangma majurang ba long ba ka da Baroh ka dai na ba ka jing bom pod plat Pisa hi da ka sarkar India habakran sikila sai khubor ding ka jelang kadun menteri ka sarkar MDA2 ha ka no phai si khandai trek no pra jobsan u menteri rang ba long ba ka jing bom plat Pisa kam dai tang sa ka jilla Meghalaya Hynrei ha Baroh Kawei India.
The funds for JJM has been stopped at the central level for all state governments. So there is no fund being released to any state as of now. So not just Meghalaya but the whole country. So maybe 1 lakh crore plus of bills are pending for different states. Now this is happening because of one simple fact that the JJM was a mission mode program which was supposed to end in March 2024. And hence, in the cabinet, this decision was made. Government of India cabinet decision was made, and therefore, automatically, since it was when April came, JJM ceased to exist. Finance department did not have any provision to continue giving funds for JJM because it was supposed to close in March 2024, and hence, without a cabinet decision to revert or to change that decision of closing JJM by March 2024 had to be taken by cabinet, not by finance ministry, not by Jal Shakti ministry, but by the cabinet, which then took place in the month of November or December, where government said we will extend it further till the projects that are going on right now are concluded. So that gave the scope for finance department then to go ahead with the processing of the programs that were post or bills that came post March 2024. Now the problem in that happened again was that the cabinet also put a condition that there will be an audit that will be conducted for all the schemes that are being implemented throughout the country. And only once the audit is completed for all the schemes, only then the finance ministry, based on that, will then release the funds. So that audit is happening in some places, it's complete. And so once that is done, then finance ministry will start releasing the funds. So therefore, it's not in the state of Meghalaya alone. It is the whole country, but we do expect that things will be streamlined. The decisions have been made. The question is just the final implementation is going on of the audit that was mandated by the cabinet, Government of India, of the ongoing schemes.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.